do not underestimate the day of small beginnings. The reason I start off with that quote is because when you're building up a passive income stream, that's usually what it is. It's a very small beginning. A lot of times when you're online and you're looking around, they make it seem as if making passive income is something that's super easy, it's super simple, and if you just, work on it a little bit, you'll be able to retire off of it next year. And the reality is that's not the case. When it comes to passive income, a lot of times it starts off very slow, very small, and then it starts to build up as time goes on. But when it comes to passive income, I think it's absolutely necessary that everybody has some form of passive income, because you always want to be making money in the background, whether it's a little bit of money or whether it's a lot of money. You always want to be making money in the background, and you always want to be making money even when you're not working. The main reason that you want to have this option is because as you start to build up your passive income streams, you'll get more flexibility. You'll get more options, right? Because when you have more money coming in, it allows you to do more things in your business or in your own personal life. So the main thing to understand about your passive income stream is that a lot of times you're not going to make as much money with a passive income stream as you can with an active income stream. Initially, an active income stream will be an example of, say, for example, you're a photographer, right? And you go out and you shoot a job and you get paid for that job. You're providing some type of service or you're providing some type of product. That's active income. Usually with that type of income, you have the ability to make more money in a faster period of time. With passive income, you're going to be making slower money, but over a longer period of time, sometimes even indefinitely. And it really doesn't matter what you're doing, whether you're doing affiliate sales online or whether you're investing in real estate, right? If you own one property, it might take you a lot of money to own that property. And the cash flow that you get from that property might only be, say, like $200 a month. Now, that's a lot of money for a lot of people, right? I'm not frowning on that. But what I'm saying is that off of that money, you're not going to retire tomorrow. You're going to have to keep building it up and up and up over time so that it grows and grows and grows. Now, I'm not saying that you'll never make enough money to retire or just solely live off of your passive income streams. All I'm saying is that it's just going to take more time than it would when you're building up an active income stream. But even with that being said, passive income is still very powerful, right? Because it gives you more flexibility. It gives you more options, right? So if you have money coming in on the side, it may not be a lot of money, but you don't have to work for it, right? It just, it comes in passively, right? And usually you have to have some type of activity in your passive income streams, but you don't always have to trade your time for money. But flexibility that it might give you is that you might take that money, you may not need it, right? Because it's such a small or insignificant amount that you take that and you save it. Or maybe you take it and you put it towards servicing debt. So now you're paying down debt faster, or you're saving money at a faster rate, right? It just gives you more options. It gives you more flexibility, more freedom, right? If you get to a point where you're making a good chunk off of your passive income stream, right? Say you're selling a product or something, or, some type of, something online, right? You're selling a product. You don't always have to trade your time for money, and you're making a good amount, right? All of a sudden that gives you more flexibility, right? Because the more you're able to support yourself off of that passive stream, right? The less things that you have to do actively to earn income. Now, the question is, how do you get started building up your very own passive income stream? And that's really going to be unique to the individual, right? One of the easiest ways to do it, obviously, is online. Say you're doing affiliates or you're doing some type of commission, okay? That's one of the easiest ways to do it. But there's other ways. You can invest in stocks and get dividends, or you can invest in real estate and collect cash flow. There's a lot of different ways that's going to be unique to your own situation. But regardless of whatever your situation is, you need to try to figure out some type of way to make some type of passive income, whether it's $1, $100, $1,000, $10,000. It really doesn't matter. You need to have something coming in the background just to give yourself more flexibility and to give yourself more options. So hopefully that video was useful and helpful and inspiring for you to start building your own passive income streams. If you already have some, leave them in the comments below. Let me know what you're working with. Let me know what's working for you. And for all my people out there who are trying to build a life on their terms and get it how they live, this is your man, Jonathan Moore, and I'm signing out. Peace.